Hi everyone, welcome back to Narrative to Learn Español. So let's continue with verb number 3 for historia número 5. And this verb is number 3, this one, tener. Oh, this is very important. So tener is useful to say you own something, or you have something, or you have something to do. The verb tener is an irregular verb. You will see in the conjugation part. Translation of tener is to have or have to. To have means to own, and in Spanish poseer, possess, or tener en su poder. Poder is like own, is mine. Yo tengo que ir a trabajar a las 8 a.m. So let's go to examples. Presente. You can click here.
Yo tengo que ir a trabajar a las 8 a.m.
Yo tengo que ir a trabajar a las 8 a.m. I have to work at 8 a.m. So here you see is have to. I have to. So you can use this one also with this particular verb. And pasado, ella tuvo muchas camisas rojas. Now this is own. She owned something before. She have too many red t-shirts. Now futuro, mis primos tendrán un carro en su cumpleaños. My cousins will have a car for their birthday. So you see this is also owning something. So now let's go to the conjugation part. And we go to tener, irregular verb. You can see it changing. The root is different for past, present, past and future, presente, pasado, futuro. You only have to remember this verb because there is not anything that you can try to remember. Maybe this, but then change tiene, and then here is tiene, tenemos. So it's very different for each one. So again, this is formal, this is irregular, this is male, male, female, 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 male. So let's start. Yo tengo, tú tienes, vos tenés, usted tiene, ella tiene, nosotros, nosotras tenemos, vosotros tenéis, ustedes tienen, ellas tienen. So remember, this is also to have and have to. For example, I have to cook. So you will say yo, so this is present. Yo tengo que, this is like the to cook, cocinar. So here the second part is almost like in English. You use the verb without any conjugation. So cocinar, first group of regular verb, tengo. So yo tengo que cocinar, I have to. So you can say I have a microphone. So now here we're using have as a owning something. Yo tengo un is one, un micrófono. So this, be careful about this to have. You have to used. So let's continue with pasado. Yo tuve, tú tuviste, usted tuvo, ella tuvo, nosotros tuvimos, vosotras tuvisteis, ustedes tuvieron, ellas tuvieron, yo tendré, futuro, remember, tilde, vos tendrás, usted tendrá, ella tendrá, nosotros tendremos, vosotros tendréis, ustedes tendrán, ellas tendrán. So this is all for this particular verb. It's very useful. Please try to remember, try to practice, create some sentence, leave it in the comment. I can try to correct them and answer as fast as I can. So subscribe to the channel, give it a like. See you in the next video. Bye bye.